Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming requirements and performing the first actions. Make sure Windows is up to date and Game Bar is enabled under Settings Gaming. Once done, restart Windows Explorer from Task Manager to refresh UI components that often block the overlay. Next, press Win+G to check whether the overlay appears. If not, make sure you are using a standard user session and not a restricted kiosk or remote desktop where the overlay is blocked. Now perform deeper fixes. Open Apps and Features, locate Xbox Game Bar and choose Repair, then reset if repair fails. This restores app data without reinstalling. Also confirm game DVR and background apps are allowed in Privacy and Background App settings, and update your GPU driver because overlays depend on the graphics stack. If the app still fails, run an elevated PowerShell command to re-register the Microsoft Xbox Gaming Overlay package. Doing so reinstalls the app bindings that sometimes become corrupt. Finish by isolating remaining causes. Create a new Windows user account and test Game Bar there to rule out profile corruption. If that succeeds, migrate settings. If not, inspect Group Policy Editor or registry keys that disable Game Bar features and re-enable them. Make sure to run system integrity checks, sfc/scano and dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health before reinstalling system apps, because corrupted systems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.